Hi there, all you internet marketers. This is Mike Smith from the IamLife.com coming to you today with a review of a nice product that's really an interesting product, VideoDyno, which the name probably tells you a whole lot about it, but it's basically a tool for you to use to create videos. And not just videos, but the scripting, the video script itself, as well as a lot of other add-ins, you know, outros and intros and things of that nature. So, but basically, it's designed as an artificial intelligence mechanism to help you create these great video scripts, so that your videos that flow properly and really look professionally done. I thought we'd go through their sales page, typical sales page stuff, but you can really take a look and see what the product basically does. As an example, it really does do a nice job copywriting, and we'll show that a little bit later. But you can just ask, answer a few predetermined questions that it will ask based upon the kind of a video that you're trying to create, and it will just fill in the copywriting for you. All the scripts that you get, no copywriting skills needed, believe me, you just answer the questions. Typically, you'll be up and running with a script within minutes. You can go back and make your modifications and changes to it and customize it as you require. But you basically have a really well professionally done video script immediately, within 5 or 6 or 7 minutes. All the scripts, you can convert these directly into a sales video with a lot of attachments and add-ons that you can do to the video very, very easily. So it's if you looked at it from the standpoint of say me using it, it would help me create profitable video ads and video sales letters with the scripts and convert them into videos as well. And it's all done on the cloud. I mean, you don't download anything into your computer. You're going to do it up on the cloud, which really works out well. It lets you auto-write video scripts that are designed to be able to sell. It'll turn a typical video sales letter into something that's really powerful for you, and you can create video ads with just a few clicks. You start from scratch, no copywriting needing, no complex video editing, just click it, create, and use it to sell your products. It couldn't be much easier, okay? All you have to do is answer a few questions, and it comes along with these particular series of questions that are based upon the type of ad that you're talking about. So it makes all that pretty straightforward. Once you get the scripting done, you can sit down and customize the videos you like. You can add your logo to the video. You can do voiceover. You can do text to speech. You can download the video, and you can get it ready to help you sell products, services, or other affiliate offers. So let's take a quick look here at the sales screen and see what their marketing guys have brought to us. Okay, if you go to the sales page, which you happy to do. It's got a nice little intro video here, although I will tell you that inside the product, it's got some very nice videos, introductory videos and training videos that really cover the product quite nicely. Some highlights: you don't need copywriting skills. You're up running really very quickly here. Doesn't include commercial licenses included in the basic front-end product. And it does link one-click with Facebook and YouTube. So you can start getting some social sharing to increase and improve your traffic into the system. You'll go through the typical, I don't know. I always flash through this stuff. I guess some people take the time to read all this. I'm always one of those guys. I want to know, what does it do? Just tell me what it does. Tell me if it's difficult or hard to do. And so if you really think about all of that, this is basically good marketing stuff. Don't get me wrong. Here's a video, by the way, of how it works, which is, by the way, a pretty good video too. I've looked at this several times. Stuff that they've created really quickly, that they've created using video. Excuse me, please. It now gets into some of the types of videos that you may want to produce. Long-form sales video scripts, which is, we'll have a whole different set of questions than you would say for a pre-launch video script, which will have a different set of questions, and sometimes more or less questions than you would for a Facebook or an Instagram video ad script. Also included YouTube video ad scripts, cross-sell, lead capture video scripts. Many of us like to use those. Upsells, an upsell video script, and an affiliate review, which, by the way, we all do all the time, I bet. So these are the kind of scripts that you can create and produce directly from VideoDyno, and just by simply asking a series of questions that it will ask you relative to the product and the type of service that you're offering. Different video frames. We'll get into this. Some of the things you can do in here really easily, is voiceovers. You can do voiceovers with instant text-to-speech if you want to, or you do your own personal voiceover. I'm going to have a little swig of coffee here because something went down my throat. It didn't turn out right. There's a lot of Video Pro frames that you can put a frame around your videos to make them look really customized for you. Logos, show you logos and watermarks in. You can download the video to your own hard drive, and you can just really get in there and create hundreds of videos to do what you want to do. You can instantly share these directly to video on a Facebook and YouTube because it'll link into those. So you can actually attach both of those to it, so you can directly download one of your videos into either one of those services. Basically, just to go really briefly here, one of the things that I looked at when we ran through this really quickly was it really does a lot of things. Don't get me wrong. It's a great piece of software. It really does make it easy to create videos, and you'll see that. We'll go through it really briefly. One of the things that I always worry about, because in my mind everything is okay until you get some real traffic to it, and then it's great. And so one of the issues you'll probably want to look at is getting some traffic to these videos, and how do you go about doing that. And one of the things that I looked at was, since this is really targeted around, basically you can create pages for, as an example, scripts. You can do lead captures. You can do these Facebook and Instagram video scripts, which are right now very popular, and this is a very powerful mechanism to be able to get the leads into your and customers and subscribers into your products. Is that if you start looking at some bonuses that we offer that primarily are built around helping you do these sorts of things. Increase your Facebook ad, learn more about your Facebook ad tips to help increase your traffic to your videos. Others, internet marketing. There's some nice hacks in here to increase your VideoDyno social sharing. We got more with this would be Instagram training. It's a marketing video set. There's actually 10 videos in this, and it's quite an impressive marketing set. We have targeted traffic mastery, which is, again, it's a video set. There's I think there's 9 videos in this. It's a really nice training program for helping you build some of your traffic up. And Traffic Siphon, which, again, this is it's a 10 video series on increasing your traffic into any place that you want it. So it's really basically all the bonuses here are centered around increasing and building traffic into your VideoDyno videos. So I think that this will be a good approach for you to do that. Now, all of these here are attached directly to it. If you were to grab our link from down below this video, which is down there somewhere, there'll be a link here to go grab these bonuses. So don't worry about that. They'll also be available to you when in JVZoo, which is where this is marketed through. So the minute you purchase this product, those bonuses will be available to you, as well as the bonuses directly from the vendor. He has a series of really nice bonuses that he's offering also. So it's in a nutshell, it's a pretty good package. It actually will be very interesting if you have any issues with creating videos, which I definitely do, and also creating the scripts for them so that you come out with something that sounds intelligent and designed to help you sell products and services. This is a nice product to do it. It takes a lot of the load off of building out these scripts, which can be just terrible. I mean, they cost a fortune if you have somebody do it. I mean, if you hire a copywriter to do these video scripts, you can pay $500–600 for a relatively short video script. So it's a great opportunity to take a look at it. Now, real quickly, the product itself is pretty straightforward. I don't think they could make it much easier. Okay, if you go to create a video script, you would create your script. You create the one that you want. Okay, so we're going to go out and create a script. Let me get back to the dashboard. There we go. Okay, and create a video script. Here we go. And I want to select the type that I want to do. Right now, let's say Facebook, Instagram, marketing trip. Continue, and we don't have one pre-filled. You could pre-fill scripts for different videos and then reuse those as you require. But other than that, give it a script name. That's going to make a product review. Continue that. You'll start doing, and this the way it'll work out here. It'll start asking you questions. Who you are, what types of things that you do, what's your presentation capability, what problems, what does your product do, how does it solve problems, what benefits does it have, what do they have to do to be able to use your product. I mean, all of the typical questions that you would ask. What's your target audience, which is really important. What's the biggest worries your customer are having, which your product would solve. These are the kind of questions you're going to answer. And once you answer them, it's going to build out a professional script for you. Final steps, research, up. So if you look through these here, and you'll see that it goes through some fairly intelligent questions. And you get to the point where you've answered all the questions with your information about your product, and you write the script. And it will actually then create this script. Now, once that script gets created, at that point, you can create a video from that script. When you go to create a video from the script, now, obviously we don't have anything in this one here, but we'll sort of like do this for a second. You can also save your video scripts so that you can actually reuse those, because when you reuse them, you can re-customize them to fit a different mechanism or a different look and feel. Maybe a split test for a product that you want to try two different customized videos. You could go to your save scripts and pick out one as an example. It's a lead capture page that somebody else has done here, but to take care of this here is, let's say, create a video from this script. And what you're going to be able to do is, this is the script right here. So we're going to pick out this one right here, which is the one we just selected. And it's going to bring that up. And you'll notice here's the script on the right-hand side, so we can see the script here. Okay, there's our script. Up here, we have the selections where we can do text. We can do text. We can change text. We can change the fonts. We can add text to the actual images that are going. These images will have text on them. We can put media. We can add media, images, videos, and uploads to upload more images or videos. We can add audio. These are remove music and add music. We can actually do text to speech. Okay, you can do text to speech. You pick your English, the person that's going to do it. So you can actually do all text to speech, and it'll read the text off of the images as they come through. Style, you can change the styles. You can add a logo. You can do all of the watermarks or remove the watermarks, and you can do outros or intros and outros. It's really got a lot of powerful tools, and it's all from one dashboard, which makes it really easy to get in here and do. Obviously, you can save this. You can go back and change it, customize it, do it, use basically the same script, but totally change the look and feel by adding different images, adding different media into it, different audio tracks, speech to text, voiceovers. It's really a powerful little program. If you do video at all, and if you're really interested in making sure that you can get video ads out there, because let's face it, ads today are all videos. It's king. Videos are king. If you're marketing a product, you'll notice it's going to be centered around a video somewhere. So this is a nice product to get that assistance to produce not only nice videos, but really professionally written videos. So what I'd like you to do is maybe take a look at down below. I've got my bonus package is listed down below. There's a link to go grab this product. I think you're going to enjoy it. I did want to mention very quickly is that we do have, there's a lot of OTOs. There's a lot of OTO upgrades for this here, which you may be interested in. Some of them definitely you would want to look at. The unlimited, which it's the basic price of this is $47, but the first unlimited is $97, and it's a big upgrade, but it gives you everything that you need: unlimited scripts, unlimited video ads, unlimited sales letters, et cetera, et cetera. It's really a significant upgrade, but one that would probably be really appropriate if you're going to get into this seriously. And at that, it's not a lot of money for a lot of upgrade. The Dyno, the done for you Dyno, is expensive, but this is where they do some of the upgrades. They'll actually do done for you scripts. You'll give them information on what you're really trying to do, and they'll help develop those scripts for you. One more cup of coffee, excuse me, please. I got a voice thing going on here today. It's an expensive upgrade, but you might want to take a look at it. It's basically done for you. Really helps you keep up to date on the product and gives you a lot of help getting your ads created. Video Business, which is relatively inexpensive upgrade, but it's custom done for you, professional looking website. They'll build a website for you with a custom checkout and done for you client contract templates, business. So if you're going to really make a business out of this and you're going to create these videos for clients, this is really a significantly powerful upgrade. Voice Reel, I'm not familiar. It's a new tech that helps you create human-like voiceovers for their videos in multiple languages. If that's something that you have a use for, it's there. It's $97. This Player Neos, I didn't really see any more information on this. Cloud-based interactive video creator that helps turn ordinary videos into a sales machine. You can add buttons, menus. Oh, okay. You can buy now buttons, opt-in forms. That's actually pretty interesting. That might be really interesting, particularly opt-in forms directly onto your videos. Buy now buttons onto videos. This for $49. This is a nice little upgrade. You might want to seriously consider this because I can see a ton of applications where this would really be nice. So basically, that is really what we've got to offer here. We've got, like I say, we've got some nice bonuses here, which would help you get some traffic in. You might want to take advantage of those. Traffic is good, and whatever we do, we want to make sure that. Thanks for checking out my bonuses in this great VideoDyno product. It is a nice little product, though. I hope you take a look at it. Take a look at our bonus page, which is down below. Just take a click, and it'll take you into it. That'll give it a chance that you can review it on your own time. And also, there's a link to pick up the product if you want to go grab it. Just click that link and go right ahead. So this is Mike Smith saying adios, guys. I hope that you got something out of this. I hope I covered it well enough. Was trying to get this done before the timing ran out, and so it's a little early in the morning for me, but we'll see how well it goes. Okay, I appreciate your time, trouble. Take care of yourselves. Thank you. Goodbye now.